178 with service to Chicago Midway. Please proceed to gate number 109. Turn on time departure. The doors will be closing in 2 minutes. At that time, we'll forfeit your seat to standby passengers.
It's only along those columns, pre-borders on the right hand side.
That's the last call.
Eight.
Leave everything. It's a life vest located under your seat. If it's thought to do so, open the container, remove the pouch, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull to tight. Once outside the aircraft, pull the red tab or for manually inflate a blooded tube on your shoulders. Also, your life vest has a light that will illuminate when it touches the water. Flight attendants are going to pass one more time through the cabin to make sure seatbelts are fastened, seats and tray table in the upright lock position, and all carry-on items are completely stowed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the rear arrangement completely seat clear. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, are prohibited in aircraft and aircraft lavatories. Disabling, destroying, or tampering any bomb detector is a federal offense. Federal aviation regulation requires passengers comply with all placards, crew members' instructions, including on seatbelts and smoking. Also, we got 3 lavatories on board, 1 up front, 2 in the back. For security reasons, do not congregate, make a line, or hang out in the forward lavatory. If you see somebody stepping in, you could go to the one in the back, or remain seated until that person is out. And if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen may be flowing, your back may not be inflated. Southwest Airlines, this crew, welcome to Dallas. Please remain seated. We're still in the active taxiway. Once the plane is at the gate and the seatbelt stand is off, be careful when you open the overhead compartment, as anyone tends to shift during flight. If you continue with us to Washington Reagan on flight 3902, please remain seated at the local passengers deplane. Once we have a through count from the back to the front, you could change your seat or use the facilities. If you have any other connecting flight here in Dallas, go to the terminal and check the TV monitor for your flight information. Also, if you have your cell phone available, you could use it at this time, but please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Also here in Dallas, we're going to open the service doors, so for your safety, and if you're traveling with any children, stay away from those doors. You know you have so many choices when you fly. We thank you for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome to the Big D, Dallas Love Field.